Welcome back to the channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. If you want to find information about me, go to this website, smarturl.it/Jedi. Today's problem is for exam MFE. If you would like to see my manual for exam MFE, it's at smarturl.it/btdt-MFE. BTDT stands for been there, done that. This is what you should be able to say every time you look at a problem when taking the test. You should be so familiar with all the topics and all the problems that when you look at a problem on a test, you know immediately what to do. You have so little time on the real actuarial exams that you can't have the luxury of thinking. Thinking is the last resort of the unprepared. You need to be prepared, and preparation means you've done a lot of practice problems of various types, and you've done difficult ones, not the ones that make you comfortable, but the ones that make you uncomfortable. That's what you should seek. Do difficult, uncomfortable problems. And if you would like to make a donation to the actuarial program at Illinois State University, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. And here's the problem for today. It is from the Casualty Actuarial Society Course 8 examination in 2006, problem number 21. I posted it before as an exercise for exam FM, but the material has now been moved to the exam MFE. And I didn't post it as a video, of course, before. It was just the text. So you are given the following information. The 6-month annual interest rate in Japan and the United States, interest rates in those two countries are 3% and 6%, respectively. So 3% in Japan, 6% in the US, with continuous compounding. And the spot price of the yen, a Japanese currency, is 0.00856. So that's how much 1 yen is worth. The futures price for a contract deliverable in 6 months is 0.00912. Calculate the present value of riskless arbitrage profit available per 1 yen. The arbitrage-free futures price, which is calculated normally as the spot accumulated at the risk-free rate, right? But that spot price is replaced by price without the dividend if the underlying pays a dividend when we talk about stocks. Well, foreign currency can be treated as, it can be thought of as a stock that pays a dividend equal to the risk-free rate in that currency. So that's how we treat yen in this. So it pays a dividend of 3% compounded continuously. And we should take the current price without that dividend, which would be 0.00856 times e to the minus 0.03 times 1/2. 1/2 is the term of the contract. And then accumulate it at the risk-free rate of 6%. So then this is where this 0.06 times 1/2 comes from. And of course the net result is accumulation at 6% minus 3% or at 3%. And this gives us the arbitrage-free futures price 0.00869. But the market price in the market is 0.00912. And remember, that's the price at which you do the contract at its maturity. Okay, so that's the price paid in this futures contract. It's too high. It's 0.00043 per yen, in dollars per yen, too high. It's in excess of the arbitrage-free price upon contract maturity. Well, this means that there is an arbitrage because you can buy the inexpensive instrument, the cheap one, and short the expensive one. Futures are expensive, so you short the futures, buy the underlying, you borrow money to do this, and then because you short the futures, you will sell at futures price, and you collect the difference that we just calculated as a riskless profit upon contract maturity. And the present value of that profit is this discounted at 6% over half a year, continuously compounded. And we calculated that's 0.000418, and that's answer B. And that's the end of this problem. Please remember this is copyrighted material, and then all problems from, in this case, Casualty Actuarial Society, belong to the society, and are used here with permission. Good luck with your studies and good luck on your test.